everyone, this is Keith from Keith Zone
and Kelly from Kelly's Wow.
And I wrote a song and it's called Put Your Head to the Sky. And I think it's more inspiring and empowered if I said it as a speech. And I have Kelly here, my sister, to do all the emotions for the words. Put your head to the sky. Seek what's right. Thank you for organizing the protest. One day you'll be able to rest. You're scared, but you have your parents who care. Put your head to the sky. Hold your head up high. Everything is going to be alright with your parents at your side. As kids, we want to put our hands to the side, dance around all night, and play outside. Post the pandemic in the protest, the country is not at rest. They're fighting for justice and equality for kids just like me. Put your head to the sky. Life is a ride. Everything is going to be alright with your parents by your side. Justice and equality is what they ask for me. Have faith in the protest you march for me. Thank you for fighting for me. My future is all I see. I'll be good, brave, and strong so you can keep moving on. One day, you'll be able to take a rest from all these protests, and one day you'll have peace and prosperity, justice and equality, so I can be all I can be. And that's what you want from me.